In this video, I'm going to share 10 profitable business ideas that you can start right now in parallel with your current activities in order to generate an extra $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 to $5,000 each month. And then, potentially, if you like it, you can leave your job to develop this business thoroughly and perhaps generate even higher sums. For the overwhelming majority of these business ideas, you don't need to have a specific degree and you don't need to have any startup capital, so there's nothing stopping you from seizing them right now. Finally, at the end of the video, I'll even explain how I came up with some of these ideas and how you can use these same strategies to come up with even more ideas for businesses to start right now. I did a lot of work on it and came up with 10 business ideas. It's completely free, so if you're not cheap, put a little like on the video. It will make me extremely happy. Let's go. The first idea is to become a songwriter in the music industry. But with the development of social media, it is possible to write lyrics for influencers or create social media content for businesses. For example, some people will pay you to write LinkedIn posts or give them ideas. So, if you're someone who consumes a lot of content on social media and gets inspired by your favorite YouTubers, you can start writing scripts and posts and offer your services to niche YouTubers or businesses. This is in high demand right now and can pay very well. For example, if you're good at writing business videos in the theme of my channel, don't hesitate to comment below because we never know, I might need help in the future. Some businesses would be willing to pay quite a lot of money for this. You can even use AI to help you work faster like ChatGPT. I even made a video about business ideas you can do with that, so make sure to check it. The second idea is to become a manager for OnlyFans or NYM. It may seem funny, but there is a lot of money to be made on these platforms, which exploded in popularity and generated several $billion last year. There are people who make tens of millions of dollars per year with this. More and more people are joining these platforms, but many of them don't know how to optimize their income, whether by taking better photos, better videos, managing their account well, sending messages, or especially how to do marketing and get more visibility on other social networks like TikTok or Instagram. If you're the person who helps with the management and marketing, you can make an arrangement with a content creator and receive a portion of their compensation. It's up to you to decide if this industry aligns with your values and interests. However, if it does, there is a lot of money to be made, especially in 2023. Idea number 3 is a classic, but it always works and will continue to do so. Being a copywriter involves writing advertising copy, which is in high demand because marketing is now done online. It's rare to find people who know how to write persuasively and sell products or services effectively. This type of profile is rare because people who are skilled in digital marketing are often young and may not have strong writing skills. However, you can learn this business by reading books, taking courses, and writing as much as possible. With practice and the help of AI tools like Copymatic, you can earn a steady income of $3,000, $5,000 per month. To find clients, reach out to anyone who is advertising online, such as trainers, brands, or ebook sellers. Explain that you can increase conversions and sales by 10–20% just by writing better copy, and that the investment in your services will more than pay for itself. It's also important to know how to sell yourself and market your services. Don't just wait for customers to come to you on sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Instead, focus on presenting yourself in a way that makes it clear how you can help businesses earn more money. Idea number 4 may seem outdated, but it is still relevant: creating websites. While it may seem amazing, it can be rare to find skilled web designers who can create a visually appealing and technically sound website that stands out. This can also be expensive. However, if you learn how to create websites both visually and technically, you will be able to find customers and charge more for your services. Consider mastering platforms like Webflow, which allow you to create websites without coding or becoming an expert in ClickFunnels. There are many people looking for web designers on platforms like these, so you can quickly gain clients by showcasing your expertise. Idea number 5, become a thumbnail creator. This can be a great opportunity because YouTube thumbnails are extremely important and YouTubers are willing to pay a significant amount of money for high-quality thumbnails. The goal is to create a thumbnail that maximizes the click-through rate by understanding what will make people click on a particular video. If you have the creativity and expertise to create effective thumbnails, you can negotiate a high payout. YouTubers may be willing to pay more than $20,000 for a thumbnail, which shows the power of this skill. The technical skills needed to create thumbnails can be learned in a few weeks, and then you can hone your skills through practice and analysis. You could also consider starting an agency to earn even more money with this business model. Idea number 6, writing articles and blogs. Knowing how to write articles or blog posts can allow you to create your own blog and generate SEO traffic, which you can then use to redirect readers to other products or sell your own content. Alternatively, you can offer your writing services to e-commerce brands and blogs that are looking for content. If you don't have strong writing skills, you can use AI tools like Copymatic to write articles for you and save time, and you can find the link in the description. By offering your services on sites like Fiverr, you can potentially earn more than $300 a day. Idea number 7, become an influencer manager. Creating content on social media is becoming a popular job, and the pay is often higher. As a result, more and more influencers are seeking a manager to help them choose product placements, secure product placements, set up affiliations, and potentially create their own products. You can offer to manage the business side of things for influencers who already have an audience, but may not have the time or inclination to handle these tasks themselves. You can negotiate a share of their revenue, such as 20-30%, and potentially earn a lot of money. You can delegate tasks to an employee or create an agency to find clients. But it is important to work with influencers who have potential and are not yet generating a lot of money. By working with smaller influencers with a few thousand or tens of thousands of subscribers and helping them create content that performs well according to algorithms, and you can even use AI once again to make it easier. For example, you can use ChatGPT to find ideas of videos, and then you can potentially earn more money. Idea number 8, create user-generated content for ads on social media. Today, organic content performs the best because it feels like it belongs on the platform. For example, rather than creating a professional-looking video for an ad, it can be more effective to show a person using a product and talking about it in a way that doesn't feel too polished. You can get paid to be that person, test products, and create videos for brands to use in their advertising. Idea number 9, affiliate marketing. This involves finding a product or service and earning a commission every time someone buys it through your referral link. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to have an audience, whether that's through a YouTube channel, a blog, or social media. This can be a good supplemental income if you already have another business or audience, but it can also be a standalone business. For example, you can create a niche website or YouTube channel and sell products related to that niche. If you create viral videos about a specific topic, such as fishing, and include your affiliate link in the description, you can potentially earn a commission from the sales made through your referral and earn a passive income for years. Some people are making more than $100 a month. It's one of the most powerful business ideas, in my opinion. Idea number 10. If you are bilingual, you can easily earn $2,000 to $3,000 a month by using your language skills. One way to do this is by becoming a translator on sites like Fiverr.com, where you can translate advertising copy, web pages, textbooks, and product manuals. Another option is to become an online language teacher, offering private lessons or doing people's homework on sites like Studypool.com and get paid for it. You can even make $7,500 on Studypool. You can also make money by creating videos on YouTube about language learning and monetizing them. The possibilities for making money as a bilingual person are endless. You can create an audience, offer private lessons or online training, and even make money by recommending language learning products or applications as an affiliate. If you are interested in learning more about how to monetize your bilingual skills on YouTube, let me know in the comments and consider subscribing so you don't miss any future videos on the topic. Thank you for watching the video so far. Your determination to keep watching shows that you are ready to take action and turn your business ideas into reality. There are many ideas out there that can make you a lot of money, and the key is to find one that works for you and put in the time and effort to make it a success. To find business ideas, you can try using Fiverr Discover, or you can try the following methods. Identify a problem or need in your community or industry and come up with a solution or product that addresses it. Look for trends or hot topics in your field and see how you can capitalize on them. Brainstorm with friends, family, or colleagues to come up with new and innovative ideas. Consider your hobbies or passions and see how you can turn them into a profitable business. Remember to be persistent and work hard every day, week, and month to turn your business idea into a reality. With dedication and hard work, you can potentially double, triple, or even quadruple your income. So to come up with ideas, it can be helpful to look at what other people are doing and see if you can replicate their success in a different market or niche. For example, if you see someone in another country making a lot of money with a particular service or product, you can see if there is demand for it in the United States and try to implement the same strategy. You can also look at ads to see what products or services are popular and in demand and consider how you can offer a similar or improved version. It can be helpful to spy on your competitors or people working in the same niche to get inspiration and ideas. When you are on social media or other websites, pay attention to the ads you see and see if any of them spark an idea for a new business. Remember to always do your research and make sure there is a market for your product or service before launching it. In addition to looking at successful businesses in your own country, you could also look at markets in other countries and see if you can import ideas or concepts. For example, the creator of Red Bull saw an energy drink in Asia and adapted the formula for the European market, leading to the creation of a company that is now worth billions of dollars. There are many opportunities to find successful business models in other countries and adapt them for your own market. When you pay for services, take note of the business models that interest you and use them as inspiration for your own online business. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like, as it would make me very happy and also help to make my videos more well-known on YouTube. Remember to subscribe to stay updated on new videos, and I'll see you soon on the channel.